Hello, boys. Hello, girls. Good afternoon. Today I'm here to talk about 3D shapes. Okay? We are going to see some pictures. We are going to listen to the vocabulary. You are going to repeat some words. And then we are going to the book. Okay? Let's start with the cuboids. Okay? This is the shape of a cuboid. I would like to listen to you. Let's repeat. Cuboid, cuboid. Repeat. Cuboid. Okay? And then we have another shape that is the sphere. Sphere. Let's repeat. Sphere. For example, the basketball. Another shape of today is the cylinder. Cylinder. And we also have the cone. Cone. Okay, so let's review the shapes. Cuboids, sphere, cylinder, and cone. Now, I'm going to show you some pictures and you are going to tell me what is the name of the form. Okay? This picture is one example of cuboid. Okay? This picture is one example of sphere. Okay? It's missing the ice cream. This shape is one example of cone. And finally, to finish, this picture is one example of cylinder. Very good job. Now, let's go to the book. Today we are going to use the student's book, pages 14 and 15, and we are going to use the stickers. I know that you love stickers. So, you need to go to the pages of stickers, the pages 89. You are going to use all these stickers here. Okay? The stickers we have are: this is a cuboid, this is a sphere, this is a cylinder, or this is a cone. Okay? Another sticker here. Is this a cone, a cylinder, a cuboid, or a sphere? Another example is the building, the apartment building. Is it a cone, cylinder, cuboid, or sphere? The battery. Is it a cylinder, cone, sphere, or cuboid? We have chocolate, cylinder, cone, sphere, or cuboid. We have the fridge, cylinder, cone, sphere, or cuboid. And finally, to finish, we have the glow stick, cone, cylinder, cuboid, or sphere. When you finish with the stickers, you have to draw something with the shape. Vocês vão perceber que tem 2 stickers de cada formato. You have 2 stickers of each shape. No terceiro quadradinho, vocês irão desenhar algo que tenha essa forma, ok? So imagine, what do you have at home? O que você tem em casa? What do you have at home? That is a cuboid. What do you have at home? That is a sphere, a cylinder, and a cone. Agora, com calma, você vai rever todas as figuras, a pronúncia e quando você chegar na página dos stickers, você irá colar 2 stickers de cada forma e no terceiro quadradinho você vai fazer o seu desenho, ok? Enjoy it! Bye bye!